Hi, this is Tim at Bolin Technology, and this is a very different video today. Obviously, we are outside, and that is because we're going to be talking about our flagship outdoor EX-Ultra PTZ camera, and in particular, its outdoor rating, which is IP67. If you remember, that's ingress protection 6 and 7. 6 stands for the dust and debris, 7 for the amount of water protection it has. A big part of the IP67 rating is that the entirety of the camera and the cover is IP67, so I'm going to show you that now. We're going to start with what we call the permanent mount cover. So I'm going to go get that. Okay, there are lots of pieces to the outdoor cover, and we're going to make an entire video on the detail of how you assemble this. Now, we've taken some steps ahead of time today just for time, but I left a few things undone just so I could show you. The first thing is this rubber outer protective boot. Any cables you need to attach to the camera go through this first. As you can see, the category cable, Cat6 cable, delivering power and data, is already through and ready to go. Here is our, here's our SDI cable. I'm going to pass it through the hole, give myself some room. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is attach the Ethernet cable and the SDI cable. All right, they're attached and ready to go. The next step, these are multiple pieces involved here, but the final step is to place this inside this outer screw cap. I'm going to come right on in here and tighten it down. As I do that, the mechanism squeezes together on the outside of this cable and makes a really wonderful seal all on its own. I'm going to go ahead and place this boot on just because it's going to be a little easier, or at least to start with, get it up here. All right, last step is to come in, get ready to attach the camera, or excuse me, the cover to the camera. So I'm just going to hand tighten these first few screws so it will make it a little easier. There are 4 of them, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. So I'll just give it a little hand tighten here. Same thing, this is the last one on this side. And we're not quite finished with that yet, but while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and attach this rubber boot. There is a ridge around the outside of the cover, and that's where this lip attaches, just like this. And there we go. Last step is to tighten these screws. And we even provided the wrench to do that. It's in this spring-loaded compartment. Out it comes. And I'll finish tightening these screws. Okay, I've tightened up all the screws. Here's the last one. And then I'm going to replace the wrench in this really handy spring-loaded slot we made for it. And now you might be wondering why I have suddenly put on this raincoat. Well, again, we're in Southern California and there's no rain in the forecast, so we had to make our own, going to take control of the weather, and we are about to show you what an IP67 camera can withstand. All right, here we go. IP67, remember, the 6 was for dust and debris, the 7 is for water. And yes, we are pummeling the camera with as much water as we can spray on it. And it is just fine. I should be concerned, but obviously I'm not. When we say the EX-Ultra is our flagship outdoor camera, this is what we mean. Now, I should tell you that absolutely no harm was done to any camera in the making of this video. Oh, the lengths we will go to here at Bolin to demonstrate something like an outdoor rated camera. Thanks as always for tuning into our channel, for watching this video. If you liked it, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so you'll know when we release new content, and I will see you in the next video. No, I'm not IP67 rated.